Angel?
Bike.
Come here, Mommy. This is for you. Is that the kind you wanted?
Is that the kind of bike Santa Claus was supposed to bring? Isn't that nice, hon? Isn't that a beautiful Transformer bike Santa Claus brought? Oh, it's noisy, too.
Well, Molly wants to ride hers.
Here, Molly. That's for you.
It doesn't have pedals on mine. Mom didn't have pedals on hers.
Hi, kids. That's a good bike. Santa Claus bring you a little bike too, my boy?
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
And Molly doesn't have pedals on hers like I have on mine.
Okay, that is a Transformer bike.
See, it has a face like they watch on TV.
Yeah.
What?
Hey, can you ride your bike, Moy Moy?
Is that the kind you wanted him to bring you?
Can you ride your bike, Moy Moy? Honey? Honey? Molly? Molly? You have a pretty little bike, huh? Do ya?
No, you can't.
Oh no, she just wants God to hold it, baby. I want to get this fancy truck out.
Don't.
I guess they had to put all these. Come here, baby. My mom. Let's get this out, okay, Case? Oh, here's
Wanna
a
see
tootie
how it
bottle for
goes?
the baby.
Yes.
Okay. We have to give her tooties. She want tooties? Okay, we give the baby the tooties. Okay. Give her drinking tooties. So there we go.
Oh, my, Casey.
What? That was not thirsty.
No, that one isn't thirsty.
Look, Casey. And the door's open with.
Okay.
Oh, look, it says Grandma and Grandpa's grand opening. It's a little store, and these little people live in here.
Up and down.
Look at these little special people. Oh, she's got to bring everything to you.
What is this, my sweet seas?
Girl.
Oh,
It's
this
a
little
squirrel.
It's a squirrel.
squirrel.
Oh, look, let's put them back. Oh, look, and they even have a table in there and chairs.
That's a one. Another
The second one.
your pony.
That's
What do you got, baby?